cacio e pepe isn't just for spaghetti. It's incredible with Napolina Gnocchi too. This version is just as rich and creamy and uses wild garlic and toasted pistachios for added deliciousness. In a pan over a medium heat, add the black pepper and toast for a few minutes. Then add a ladle of gnocchi water to bloom. In a separate bowl, combine the pecorino with the gnocchi water to create the pecorino crema and mix well, then set aside. Add the cooked gnocchi to the pan with the bloomed pepper, stirring gently. Then pour over the pecorino crema and chopped wild garlic, then toss together until creamy and decadent. Dry toast the pistachios for a few minutes. Then serve the gnocchi into bowls, topping with a little Parmigiano Reggiano and the toasted pistachios. Then finish with a drizzle of Napolina roasted garlic and herbs oil, then enjoy. Buonissimo!